Howdy, Mia Francesca Rav here. Today we're going to do a super easy contoured snatch face look using only bronzer. So we're going to contour our face with bronzer and you only need two brushes. So you need a fluffy angled brush, usually for blush or bronzer. And then I use a smudge brush. This is what I use to contour my nose. I'll show you closer up. So any brush that is just going to give you this kind of line right here. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. I love this bronzer. First of all, it's so cute. It comes in like a little palm tree. It has the beautiful rose gold design. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and just go right in with the bronzer. Dab some on the brush. And we're going to go high on the cheekbone. So we used to do it right there in like, I guess the 2010s. But now you want to go above that crease. You want to go up onto your cheekbone so you stay lifted. And you don't want to bring it too close to your cheek here because you want to create that lift look, and like this is the highlight part of your face. So we've got our cheekbones on. And now we are going to go up to our forehead and just shade it in. So you're going to go kind of along the hairline. I go all the way to the middle of my forehead. And just do like a headband. The most important part, the jawline. Always gotta get the jawline, and I go heavy on the bronzer with the jawline because you could never have too chiseled of a jaw. Just a little bit on the chin. Okay, and now for the nose. This is so much easier than you think it is. You're just gonna literally trace the natural shadow of your nose into a rectangle. So I can see my natural shadow. It's kind of right there. And just close it off down here at the bottom. Sharpen up your lines. Okay, and then I color in the underneath because I kind of cut off my nose in the middle here. So we're just gonna sharpen that all up. Sometimes I'll take a finger to just kind of smudge it. And this is the look. So we've got our contoured bronzer and cheekbones and jaw over here. So the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer is perfect for this look because it's super blendable, goes great on bare skin, which is what I have right now. You can put it onto foundation, onto BB cream, onto tinted moisturizer. I love it. You can get it from eCosmetics, and you can get brushes just like I use, the angled brush and the smudge brush from eCosmetics by clicking the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love this look, and I hope this makes contouring so much easier for you and achieving a snatched, filter-free look with one product.